stop scrolling for a second because I'm about to show you how to turn the clothes you almost threw away into pieces people would think you bought from a boutique. And yes, some of these are so good, you could literally sell them. Hey everyone, it's Ms. Angela Sawyer, and today I'm diving into something I absolutely love, upcycled clothing ideas. I'm talking about taking old jeans, oversized shirts, worn out dresses, and forgotten pieces sitting in your closet and transforming them into something fresh, fun, and totally wearable again. These are the kinds of ideas I found scrolling Pinterest that made me go, okay, that is genius. And I knew I had to bring it to you. In this video, I'm sharing over 25 upcycled clothing ideas that range from simple sewing projects to more creative sewing transformations that can completely change the way your closet looks. Some of these ideas are quick enough to do in under an hour, and others are the kind of satisfying projects where you end up feeling like you just designed your own clothing line at home. And here's the fun part. I want you to be part of this with me. As you're watching, start thinking about which idea is your favorite. Because once this video hits 100 votes in the comments, I might actually recreate the winning idea in my own style and show you exactly how I would take it even further. So get comfortable, grab a notebook if you love saving ideas, and let's turn old clothes into new favorites together. And don't forget, all of these ideas came from me scrolling Pinterest. And I've got the Pinterest board linked below so you can check out even more inspiration and patterns for yourself. As these upcycled clothing ideas keep flowing, I want you to slow down and really look at what's happening here. Every single piece you're seeing starts as something forgotten, something that might have been pushed to the back of a closet, and then it transforms into something completely new. That's the heart of upcycling. It's not just sewing, it's reimagining. It's taking what already exists and deciding it still has value, still has beauty, still has a story worth continuing. Look at your clothes like they are waiting for their second chance, not their ending. If you're enjoying this, make sure you like this video and subscribe, because this is exactly what we do here. We turn creativity into something you can actually live in, wear, and feel proud of. No pressure, no perfection, just ideas you can grow with. And as you're watching, pick at least one idea that makes you pause, even for a second, and think I could actually try that. That small moment is where creativity starts. You don't need a brand new wardrobe to feel inspired, you just need a new way of seeing what you already have. Keep watching, stay open to ideas, and imagine how different your style could feel if nothing in your closet was ever treated as disposable again. Every stitch, every cut, every redesign is you choosing creativity over waste. And that is something worth celebrating. And I'll keep bringing you more ideas like this every time you press play here. You are not stuck with what you started with. You are allowed to reshape it, restyle it, and make it fit who you are becoming. Stay with me, there is so much more inspiration ahead. I have a list of tutorial videos on other upcycle projects from other videos and other ideas in the description below. Make sure to check that out if you want even more inspiration and step-by-step ideas to keep creating. And don't forget to look out for the next video. I've got more upcycled clothing ideas coming your way soon, and I'll see you there.